Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear the Vice, Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, opposition leader Mark Golding is again calling on the government to ramp up its support to citizen impact by Hurricane Beryl. The call from the opposition leader comes as Prime Minister Andrew Holness has also instructed Jamaica Labour Party representatives to intensify their efforts to address challenges facing Jamaicans due to the hurricane. Mr. Holness gave the directive during a meeting of the party's central executive on Sunday. Speaking Sunday evening in East Central St. Catherine, Mr. Golding said there are pressing needs in communities badly hit that government must address. He said government must also ensure that the relief aid is distributed equitably among those who need it. My wisdom warriors, take in Honorable Mark Golding.
Many of them are sleeping in conditions which are vulnerable and exposed to the elements. And many of them are hungry because their incomes have been affected, their farms have been badly hurt, and they need assistance. And the time for action is now. We need to see a program of assistance and support being rolled out to the people who need it right away. It can't be something that is talked about but not actualized. And the people on the ground hear that it's coming, but they're not seeing any action over it. I use this opportunity to say to Jamaica and to the government, let us see the actual distribution of assistance to the needy people as quickly as possible, starting right away.
My wisdom warriors, the Honorable Mark Golding has spoken. So when I say when me come out, I may beat and teach the Jamaica Labour Party. Me no want nobody come and say nothing to me because they are not doing what they're supposed to do. I kept saying this. They come out in a House of Parliament. And when them come out, them dead and them attack one bag of something, how them secure 1 billion, how them allocate 20 million, they allocate 1 billion, and all know the people them of Jamaica, a lot of people still not getting nothing. The people them a wonder where the money gone. The people them a wonder where the money gone, my wisdom warriors. This is why me have to big up Mark Golding, me have to big up Peter Bunting, me have to big up Philip Palwell, me have to big up Dana Motley, me have to big up Nikisha Burchell and lot more, all of them in the PNP team. Me have to big them up because them always a defend the Jamaican people. They always a come out and a stand up. Me hear some people attack say PNP not do enough. You know how much PNP I do? PNP is out here doing a lot. A lot PNP is out here doing. And you see that too. No for uno bloggers, uno see what go on, but I don't know what go on. Sometimes me I wonder if no for uno undercover labor right, Yes, man. Me have to wonder if no for uno a undercover labor right. Uno know so when me talking, man. Me not talk with water in my mouth. Me no business who want vex, I don't care because a lot of the bloggers them me see come out and them attack. Oh, Mark Golding is doing a lot. Mark Golding is doing a lot, my wisdom warriors. Una have to remember saying, Jamaica Labour Party is in charge, And them in control, When them come out and say something, the only thing Mark Golding can do, the PNP them can do is oppose, Remember, they are on the opposition side. Mark Golding is the opposition leader. And the only thing they can do is oppose. So a lot of time, Andrew Holness come out and say, and say this and say that. Mark Golding not like it. And he oppose. And he said, no, he's against it. But what do? They still go ahead and do as them like, do as them please. And we, the Jamaican people now, if we rise up. And we, if we rise up, Mark Golding already a lead. Remember, my wisdom warriors. If Mark Golden for just come out and say, people, wanna take it to the streets, and you only go say, Mark Golden a cause revolution and want to start war. And that them a go say, wanna go like wanna know the Jamaica Labour Party. And we the people need to know so we fi get up and stand up. Mark Golden a lead and everybody see what is going on. So I not like when some of the blogger them come out and I say, oh, the opposition is quiet. The opposition is not quiet. And I disagree. I disagree totally when me hear people say them things there. Look, you don't see them out. Them always out. Remember the traditional media hardly carry PNP them, you know. If I something bad, then drag them down. Remember, you know. You have to remember this in bloggers. And you have to remember this in people. Wisdom warriors, everybody, all true Jamaicans, you have to remember the traditional media only drag down the PNP. When they are doing good, where is the traditional media? Where are they? A lot of time, Mark Golden have to post the things them on his page. They all have to be posting Dayton Campbell, Peter Bunting, the all of them, they all have to be posting on their page so people can see what happened. The traditional media not bring it. So not because not see the traditional media not bringing it, that no means that it is not happening. It no means that it not happen. So me not really like when some bloggers and people is coming out and I say, oh, they are quiet. Quiet where? Them not quiet. Them always attack. One want them to do. Bad up Andrew. They can't bad up Andrew. Andrew the government. Andrew run things. Andrew won't let's call the shots. Andrew won't let's call the shots, my wisdom warriors. You get me? How we the people for say, wow, look how opposition leader a stand up for we. Look where I stand up for we, man. Andrew Owens a break the law. And this man here stand up for we. The man disagree. I don't know that. We the people for know so we for get up now. Get up now. But nobody now get up. Everybody just sit down not say nothing. And then on the same one come out. I want to blame the opposition leader. And opposition leader is fighting for Jamaica. Boy, I don't know. I just feel like say enough of them blogger are undercover labor right. Me I tell you my wisdom warriors. Trust me. Only thing I joke when I go see what happening at the end. Remember me tell you quite a few of them is undercover labor right. You hear me? That's why yesterday really a touch per Andrew wellness can too much. Yeah, them a take time and a easy. I don't know what them are easy about when Jamaican people are suffer. But seriously, on a serious note, Andrew wellness get all these money and I'll know the people them now really get nothing. The people them want zinc. Other day me say Callers TV. Big up Callers TV. Cause twice me say Callers TV go over St. Elizabeth. St. Elizabeth or Clarendon, one of them, I'm not really sure. Go over there and help the people of Jamaica. Yes, man. And him do really well. And I think him got St. Vincent too. And the Grenades. I'm not sure, but I'm sure about the St. Vincent is going to help them. You see me? So, remember, like I said, the government not have the money, The government have the money, but what are they waiting on? Why them take so long? Beryl come and gone from the 3rd of July, but then still a PP clock. Why? And Jamaica, on sit down and not do nothing. Not do nothing. Jano. It's rough still in a one way, because me know so right now, you need water, you need electricity, you don't have food, no found a shop, blow down. Me understand, no get me wrong. But remember, man, when hard time I lick you go come out. Go come out. You see how the people them sent me roll out? But one thing me never like, how some of them end up and gonna help fireman and Black Road. Me just never understand that the part there. That's why me call it protest with a twist. Because that is really a blouse and skirt twist. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you don't agree with Mark Golden. Because I agree with Mark Golden. The government should do better. The government should do better. All them come out and do and make pretty speech. But the people, them feel it same way. And it shouldn't be like that. My wisdom warriors, you see what go on the poll. Hey, you see the labor right them run out now and I say how CVM have take side. Remember say CVM not take side, CVM not take side. They hardly post Mark Golden. So I was shocked when I see them post this poll. I was really shocked, man. I tell you, no lie. Because traditional media, Everything that is negative, them post when it come to PNP. Everything that is negative, then drag the PNP them. That is what the traditional media news them do. Yeah, that is what they do. So I was really shocked. Let me make it clear. Me not say CVM, do that. I'm not saying CVM drag them. Listen, I said the traditional media, them. Anyway, CVM posts this, my wisdom warriors, and on the poll, Mark Golden is leading. So this is why me I say the labor right, them are gonna come out now and them are gonna start stress out themselves and start sending out more threats and go along with them antics. And so when it hit them, man, they ball out. So full speed is ahead. Mark Golden soars ahead of Andrew Holness in favorability poll. Positive. Mark Golden get more positive remarks. Yeah, from the people of Jamaica, which is 35.2%. Andrew Holness get 33.8%. Negative remarks. Mark Golden get 26.2% of negative remarks. And Andrew Holness get 37%. Right now, on the poll, Don Anderson poll. Remember, I know my wisdom warriors say when Andrew Holness them a lead pan the poll, whoa, they go on with themselves and them big up Jamaica Labour Party and so them a go on and behave. And the moment it switch up and jump on PNP, problem. They said the Don Anderson poll a foolishness and one bag of something. I saw them behave, I saw them behave. You must know what me I talk about. So right now, my wisdom warriors, the opposition side, the People's National Party, the Honorable Mark Golden is ahead on the Don Anderson poll, leading with full speed ahead, man. And you can't catch him, man. That's why you see he can't call the election now. He's stressed out. Minister of Local Government Desmond Mckenzie has hit back at accusations by the National Caucus of People's National Party councillors that councillors are being sidelined in the Hurricane Beryl recovery efforts. In a media release, Mckenzie said the government would not be drawn into any attempt to create envy or discord between members of parliament and councillors over resources which are meant for Jamaicans who have been adversely affected by the passage of Hurricane Beryl. My wisdom warriors, you know hear where Desmond Mckenzie come out and I say, tell me if it makes sense. It makes sense where Desmond Mckenzie come out and I say, if facts still remain, the people they not get the help what they're supposed to get. The people they not get no help, Desmond Mckenzie. So when you're coming out and I say, you not create no envy, you stop tell lie, that's all you do. You come out and I say, you don't create no envy. All right, you don't create no envy. But the friggin' people, them still want food. The people, them still want bed. The people, them still want zinc. The people, they need help. For God's sake, Desmond Mckenzie, and you is a local government minister? Me I tell you, man, you have to lift up out of House of Parliament. You have to lift up from out of House of Parliament. That's all you do. That's all you come out and do. Imagine opposition side come out and attack the truth and you come out and say this. The people them not get no help. And the same very people them a ball out. Seriously. It really hurt me feeling, my wisdom warriors. For know so they have the money. But guess what? Jamaican people Jamaican people will always learn the hard way. Because them see so they get 700 billion for the healthcare and then pocket that backside. They not buy the equipment. They not buy the medicine. They not buy resources for the hospital. That's why people are suffering. When will Jamaican people come to realization and see that the government is taking the mickey out of us and making a fool out of us? When? Jesus, no man, me not understand Jamaica. We have to get up now. The time is now. We have to get up. We have to protest. I mean, start protest and then go turn surfers. No, I mean like that. Come on, Jamaica. What is really going on? What is really going on? Come on. Wow, this is just like, I can't believe. My wisdom warriors, there's so much things Andrew Holness administration is getting away with. And the people are not standing up. And I'm lost for words because I don't understand why. I really don't understand. Some people say them scared. Yes, me get that. But you can't just get up every day and say, scared. That means say people that's going to trample upon you, scared. Come on. Come on, Jamaica. That is not us. I never saw our ancestor them used to behave. We ancestor them a warrior. We ancestor them a warrior. And a real freedom fighters, our ancestors. So where is the spirit of the ancestors? Remember, we always have warrior spirit. Where is it? Where is it, Jamaica? We need to find ourselves. We need to go back and find ourselves. Jano, when I see the way how the Jamaica Labour Party have behaved, it really paid me heart to the core. I don't like to see it. See Mark Golden come out and I said the people they need help. Wanna think him just said that because Mark Golden still up on the ground till today dear. Where Andrew there? Andrew not on the ground. In a parliament every day talk about him allocate this and that. And the people them must speak out so they not get no money. The councillors them must say Desmond Mckenzie a sidestep them. Jano, my wisdom warriors. It rough for me Jamaican people. We have to do something. And the time is now. My wisdom warriors, tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can reach me on WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.